Welcome to our channel. Ancient Wisdom Money Matters. Today we're diving into the lucrative world of tomato farming. You think you know tomatoes, eh? A little garnish here, a chopped salad there. Listen up, you donkey. This isn't some amateur cooking show. This is about turning your backyard into a bloody gold mine. We're talking about 25 secrets the big boys don't want you to know. Secrets that will make your neighbors green with envy. Secrets that will have you swimming in profits. Get ready to learn, because this is a masterclass in making serious money, and it all starts with a humble tomato. Get your notepads ready, sharpen your minds, and for God's sake, pay attention. This is your chance to turn your gardening hobby into a thriving business. From salads to sauces, bloody everyone uses tomatoes. That's a demand you can bank on. Tomatoes grow faster than you can say service. Multiple harvests mean money in your pocket fast. Dried paste ketchup. You've got options, and options mean bloody profits. Fatten your wallet, not your tomatoes. Good farming practices equal juicy profits. Don't be a lazy sod. Hybrids, your secret weapon. Higher yields, less disease. It's a no-brainer, you numpty. Dry season high prices. It's supply and demand. Scarcity drives up prices. Time to cash in. High quality tomatoes. Export them. The world is your oyster. Don't just sell tomatoes. Transform them into bloody gold. From farm to table, everyone gets a piece of the pie. No barrier to entry. Get in the game. You don't need a Michelin star to grow tomatoes, just some bloody ambition. Year-round farming? Don't mind if I do. Modern techniques mean you can grow tomatoes even in a blizzard. Healthy profits, healthy you. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients. It's a win-win. Support and training are available. Take advantage, you donkey. Tomatoes thrive in many regions. Find your perfect spot and get growing. Process tomatoes locally and watch your profits soar. Tomato farming is a recipe for economic growth. Get involved. Improve your techniques and become a tomato growing master. Protect your crops and your profits with effective pest control. Reduce spoilage and maximize your earnings. It's not rocket science. Seeds and fertilizers won't break the bank. Get started today. Different tomatoes for different markets. Cater to everyone and rake it in. Short growth cycles mean money in your pocket faster than you can say tomato. Soil troubles, not a problem. Tomatoes are adaptable. Give them the care they need and they'll reward you. From Italy to India, tomatoes are king. Tap into the cultural significance of tomatoes and watch your profits boom. Sustainable farming for a sustainable future. Grow tomatoes organically and make a difference for the planet and your wallet. Now go make some bloody money. Well, there you have it, you bunch of muppets. 25 secrets to turn you from a kitchen nightmare into a tomato tycoon. Remember, success in the tomato business, like any kitchen, takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Now get out there, get your hands dirty, and start growing some bloody amazing tomatoes. The world is hungry for what you've got, and I guarantee, with a bit of elbow grease and these 25 secrets, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more value-driven content. Happy farming.